I'm going to show you how to view photos that have been deleted in case you want to retrieve them or clear out your mailbox or on your deleted folder. But first, what you want to do is go here to the left. I have mine down here as a shortcut to the left. I'm going to click on it. And again, on the left, I'm going to open up one of the photos. And then here on the top, you want to select all photos. And once you hit all photos, you want to go down here to the bottom where it say albums. You click on that. And then you want to go up until you get to the bottom to where you see recently deleted. As you can see, I got 153 recently deleted photos or videos. So you click on it. And here you see all these photos. It says 29 days. I recently deleted this. So in 29 days, it would be permanently deleted from this folder. So if you want to get it out, you need to get it out before the 29 days are over. And as you can go down here to the bottom, you see I got 5 days left on some photos. So it will automatically clean itself after 30 days. So if you want to delete anything or retrieve it, you hit the select button here on the top right. And then you just click on whatever photos you want. And you could hit recover. It'll bring it back into your photo album. Or you could hit delete, which I'm going to delete these three. Once you hit delete, it asks you sure you want to delete it? Hit delete. Once you delete it, it's gone. So that's all to it.